Hi everyone. Welcome to RS Computer Solutions. Today, I'll show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows Server 2025, step by step. Hyper-V is Microsoft's virtualization platform, allowing you to run multiple virtual machines on a single server. We'll cover GUI methods. Open Server Manager. You can find it in the Start menu. In Server Manager, click Manage, add roles and features to start the installation wizard. Click Next on the Before You Begin page. Select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation, click Next. Select your server from the list, click Next. Now, in Server Roles, check Hyper-V. A pop-up appears to add required features, click Add Features, click Next. In the Hyper-V configuration screen, you can optionally create a virtual switch. This allows your VMs to connect to the network. If you plan to migrate VMs later, enable live migration. Click Next to continue. Check the box to restart the server automatically if required. Click Install. The installation takes a few minutes. Once installation completes, open Hyper-V Manager. You should see your server listed as a Hyper-V host. This means the installation was successful. That's it. You've successfully installed Hyper-V on Windows Server. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.